This model kit review is of the Lockheed U-2. This is the spy plane, and it's a 1/48 scale model by Testors. And it looks like it has some very long wings, 50.8 centimeters. And here's some of the details about the plane, and a nice picture of the plane, or the finished model, and some of the colors needed. This box has definitely seen better days, and this one does not have any instructions. I bought this one online, so we'll have to have a look. So first of all, here's our speed brake, and our right side of our fuselage. It's fairly well molded. No real flashing, just some little mold lines in some of the other pieces, but all these details are all raised, unfortunately. Here's landing gear and seat. Here are our wings, also all raised panel lines. And here's our stabilizer. Here's the other side. And over here we have the other side of the fuselage. We have some wheels. We have a pilot. And instrument panel here likely. And these look like our speed brakes. Over here we have our air intakes. And we have our pods, as well as fuel tanks. We do have another pilot here, odd looking person. Here's our canopy. And here we have wheels, and this is probably part of the support that holds it up. Here's another part. There's a lot of extra pieces inside here. Got the pod. Here's our cockpit. And actually the lower part of the cockpit, probably the nose wheel well. And here's our decals. All nicely printed. So I don't have any instructions for this plane. I'll have to look them up online. Molding quality is okay. It's an older model kit, not a huge amount of detail.